Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Another day,
Another day.
another hairstyle. Be, hold your phone, Be. Good morning. So another day, another hairstyle. Naglibog ko siya ito ko. Kaya na lang. Sa nutrition month pa man, mag-carrot ka. So color green yun na. Let's use color green. Usually ba, gagabi kay mag ready na ko nga. Kaya nga, nag-ki-at gabi oh, nag-assignment sa di ay mi. Mau nang wala ko na ka. Ay, dapat ito yun. There's still. This side. Sige na, oy. Show them, oy. Lower the volume yun. Bahalag. Paano may kasay late na? Kaya pag bahalag malate, basta ako hairstyle. Pero so far, wala pa namin ka. So far, paano namin na late? Mid-section yung hair. Pero nag-video ko sa mo, gamit na kayo mong cellphone. Maybe, yun na.
Well, I guess a guy did break up with me once, but I just showed up to his house and told him I was going to fight for what I love. What is she telling her? No, that is not good advice. Sawyer, don't tell her that. Oops. Sorry. No. Thank you.
Kaya ko mga hairstyle guys, mga nakita na sa din ako sa mga video. Tunsoon ba ka?
We need to expose her.
I found the teddy bear. It looks really cute.
Sa una, mas kuan pa ganito, mas taas. Mas taas ng bug sa una, mas madugay.
Hey, you're not taking us to the right place.
Wait, where is she going? The cousin's house is that way.
Nag-live
She's going
unta
that
ako.
way. Follow her.
After 30 days, mag-delete naman ko ng live. Sayang.
What are you house is that way?
Uy, wala kang to. Uy, mo palitan bit. Yun na. Mo palitan bit in the camera. Yun na. Wala, you're not listening.
She's a terrible driver.
She is very upset. Wait, didn't the review say something about the White House?
Ano yan?
This is that White House.
Bishop. Hairstyle. Pero actually, hairstyle na niinig. Gawas. After, paano ba yung prangtang na daw yung nagabot. So ako rin ito ngayong buhok. Mag-braid ka sa front side. Ang atong panday sa oso. Yun na. Show them yun. So here's... Yun na. Do not cover the camera. Your hand. Oh, look. Your hand. Mag-braid. Ayan. Okay na dili matiwas kayo. Ato na siya i-active na sa oso. Now, let's do that other side. Okay. Uy, di ka nag-see yun na, uy. Paselfon mo ng sekreto kaya para mo yun. Uy, yun na. Try watching yun. And then after, you braid.
And aren't we the ones that you were gonna lock in your car for 45 minutes?
Your baby wouldn't do that.
Oh, really? Because I am their mom and she was their Uber driver and was supposed to take them to their cousin's house. This is
You know, you're covering the camera yun. Oh. Ito na siya eh. Kung pinaka minutes ko mag hairstyle, ano sa niyan screen time na yun. Kaya kung di siya, kaya kung di rin na siya pa-cellphone nun, mag-apura. Oh, yun, what happened to this? Oh. Okay.
And Michaela wants me to expose the most disgusting Uber driver named Bruno. One review said my ride with Bruno was a nightmare. I got gum on my hand when I touched his door handle, and he still tried to bribe me with candy to get me outside.
Oh my god, you dropped my phone! Oh my god, yun na.
Lucky to go here.
Ah,
Let's go
lucky
there.
karon, lucky kuno wala tayo sa ubos. Lucky yun ang memoran yun na. B, show them your. So, done with the braid, both sides, and now, yun na, tarungan ang naong nimo yun na. Show them, B. No. Ato na tiwasan, tunga sa likod. And then, ngit-ngit lang ba? And then, a hair tie. What happened to this? Missing. Yun na. Stop moving. Kay, your hair. What happened to you? Yun na. You're so... Oh. I think our video is so long na yun na. Just to keep on moving. So, both sides, guys. Let's do that. Both sides. Yeah. Wait, no. Shoot them. And then, where's my favorite? Sino ang tawag ano? Ayun na, siya na. So, itong ano? And then, see? Nice na. Nice style. Niya ka ni kay. So, ito yung suod balik. And then, suod rasal nyo na ito dere. Para, bira na ito. Ano siya sa sulod. Niya, pwede rin na ito ho ito. And, let's do that on the other side. And then, this one. So, kung luag ra, yun yung pahuutan. Yun na, other side. A little bit tighter. Nice. And then, last touch. You know, our video is so long na yun. We will use carrot haircut.
no.
You know. Okay. Look like this. Okay.
Even though it is messy, I don't see anything moving or
Try to
maybe that review
carrot. The other side.
to expose
No.
I would love to be married one
The
day.
other side.
Yeah. I'm on Tinder a lot. Haven't gotten any matches yet. I don't
Hatid
understand
ni
why I'm
mga
not getting any
Bye.
matches.
Turn
I'm like
off
5'11".
those. Oh, lagi. We're done. Yun na, show them. So, another day. Oh,
DJ on the
so,
side.
yun na, you're not listening. Give me my phone. Show them another hairstyle. I mean, another day. What you say? Another day.
I'm a hairstyle.
Another day, another hairstyle. Turn around slowly. Show them. Oopsie. Oopsie. And then, smile. That's it for today's video, guys.
Bye.